It's the Texas weather discussion video. This is for Wednesday, the 14th of August. I'm Donovan Neal. We'll break from the triple-digit heat today with the scattered showers, advertised scattered showers and storms, mostly during the morning hourly commute today. And then we warm up to seasonal temperatures for the rest of this week through the weekend. So here's the upper air map across the nation this morning. You can see we have that upper high starting to retract a little bit to the west now. That's allowing a jet stream to dip down south, allowing a surface front to pass through overnight, causing a little bit of showers and thunderstorms for parts of the region this morning, mostly moving to the south and southeast, but those will dissipate by the afternoon hours. Temperatures mostly in the mid to upper 80s, already 87 at Dallas Left Field and Granbury as well, but places where they got the rain, mostly in the low to mid 70s, Gainesville 73, where they received a bunch of rain. And across the watch warning map, heat advisories and excessive heat warnings still in effect for parts of the deep south and parts of central and south Texas, and also parts of Louisiana. Go out to the west where they have an excessive heat warnings in effect for parts of southern Arizona, southern California, and also parts of central California as well, also parts of Nevada. Here's the convective outlooks: a risk of severe storms and enhanced risk for parts of the Rockies and parts of the western high plains. And on day 2, we have a standard slight risk of severe storms for parts of the central and northern plains. And on day 3, we have a risk of severe storms for parts of the central plains through parts of the nation's corn belt through the Midwest. And here's the average rainfall for the next 7 days. Rainfall totaling less than a quarter of an inch cumulatively over the next 7 days. And of course, your rain amounts can vary, with that flash flood warning in effect for parts of our northern counties with the rain today. And here are the tropics. Nothing new expected during the next 5 to basically for the next week. So let's go on to the model output, the dailies here. This is the 06Z run of the GFS valve this afternoon at 4 o'clock local time at 500 millibars, around 18 to 20,000 feet off the ground. Upper high basically just to the west of us, and down here. Most of the scattered showers and storms would already dissipated by this time. Highs mostly will be in the mid 90s. Same thing on Thursday, and pretty much the same deal on Friday, except on Friday we warm substantially. Highs will be near the triple digit mark at that point, with lows mostly in the mid 70s. This is Saturday and this is Sunday. Not much change for the weekend. Mostly sunny, hot and dry. Highs mostly in the upper 90s near the 100-degree mark. Not much change for next week. This is Monday, this is Tuesday, and a week from today. This is Wednesday the 21st of August. Highs mostly high pressure mostly to the west. Highs where they should be for us, and down here we pretty much stay dry again. Mix of sun and clouds. Highs mostly in the upper 90s. And here's the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Friday the 23rd. You can see we have troughing to the north, ridging into the east, a bit of a pattern flip here, and down here we stay dry. But you can see near the Texas border we have that tropical mischief right there. So let's go to the European here. It actually has a little bit of a disturbance further inland, and since the GFS is saying it and the European is saying it, we'll definitely have to watch and see if that actually comes to fruition. But you can see for the numbers for the next 15 days coming off the European ensemble, highs mostly in the upper 90s to near the triple digit mark for the next several days. And then as we hit the 25th of August, highs basically cooled down to low 90s low 90s, and basically lows cool down to the mid 70s as we have a little bit of a transition towards meteorological fall. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today. Our notes in the blog. Next video here will be posted at around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. If you can't catch our local TV stations on the air this afternoon at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and Godspeed.